In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.2, question number 2, part 14. And the question is integral of tangent square of x dx. As we know that tangent square x equal to secant square x minus 1 dx. And secant square is one term, 1 is one term, so we will integrate separately. It is secant square x dx minus dx. If you want, you can write down 1, but 1 does not difference. So secant square x dx equal to tangent of x, and the integration of dx is negative x plus constant of integration, and this is the answer. It is so simple. Keep in mind that tangent square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. Then you have to integrate individually. And thanks for watching.